Hello, everybody. Welcome to the market update for the week of June 10th through the 15th. We're coming off our fifth positive week in a row. I'm sorry, fifth out of six, 5 out of 6 positive weeks on the NASDAQ and the S&P. However, towards the end of the week, the market did start to feel a little bit stretched. In fact, we sold off into the close on Friday. So keep that in mind as you plan this week's events. Now, we are pretty much at all-time highs, knocking at the door if we're not technically there. However, again, I personally feel like the market's getting a little bit stretched. We're a little bit overbought here. It was a very disappointing earnings season, and there's some economic news on the horizon that really might affect things. So this week there is a couple more earnings announcements that are going to come out. Oracle, Broadcom, Adobe, and the old Restoration Hardware goes by RH now. That's pretty much it for earnings season. Again, it was not a great earnings season. There was not a lot of follow through. However, there is excitement in one area, and that, of course, is the 10-for-1 split from Nvidia that happened over the weekend and starts trading on Monday, June 10th at a 10-for-1 split. So Nvidia will start trading around $100 or so. This week, however, we have huge economic news. This is the biggest week of the month. On Wednesday, we have the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, how much we pay as consumers for things. Thursday, we have the Producer Price Index, how much the producers make. So that will definitely be weighing on the market. However, even more than that is the Fed meeting. At the beginning of the year, there was a lot of expectations for 3, 4, or even 5 interest rate cuts during the course of the year, sprinkled throughout the year. However, that has gotten knocked down to 1, 2, 3. Some people feel we might not even get any interest rate cuts this year. The Feds announce on Wednesday if there is an interest rate cut or hike technically this month. Nobody is really looking for anything. However, much more important than the actual event is the Fed feeling and the Fed's press conference that they hold after the announcement, where Powell will speak about the direction he sees things going. Any indication that maybe next month we'll get the rate cut, but again, we're now getting to the second half of the year, and we have not had a rate cut this year, and we'll have to see if we're even going to get one. So that's what's happening this week. Again, I feel personally that the market is getting stretched, and so I would be very weary to put a lot of capital to work. I certainly, before Wednesday, I'd be very gun shy. We have the CPI and the PPI. Those are huge inflation numbers. There's also some disappointment in the market coming from that roaring kitty / GameStop debacle. It did absolutely nothing on Friday. He had some type of a streaming event, which was embarrassing for him. In my opinion, he looked like an idiot, and it affected the stock price very quickly and very negatively. So we'll see if that carries over into this week, if any of the meme stocks lose all of their momentum that they've had in the last couple of weeks. But I am personally very excited for the split of Nvidia. I think some people feel like split stocks don't matter. I feel they do. I think it makes it more affordable for the retail investor, both on the stock side and the option side. And so I do expect, if there is a momentary lull in the price of Nvidia, I think it will end quickly. And I think Nvidia will begin to give us some opportunity to do some investing there. So again, to wrap it up, earnings season was kind of a disappointment, in my opinion. We did have an okay week last week, but it was the 5th out of 6 weeks. So that's good. That's positive. But the market might be getting tired as we go into the summer vacation season. Volume absolutely slows down heading into August, which is the slowest volume of the year, that month. So be wary of that. Be careful. Have a great trading week. look for interest rate announcements and some type of language that puts us in a direction, and we go from there. Have a great day.